Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this dropshipping platform, which is Trendsi. So let's get started. Talking about Trendsi, Trendsi is a dropshipping platform designed mainly for fashion sellers, offering clothing, jewelry, and accessories that connect directly with Shopify. It stands out for its smooth integrations, real-time inventory synchronization, and fast US shipping, using usually between 2 to 5 days. Many users also highlight its high-quality product image and excellent customer support, which make it easy for beginners to start a fashion store without much hassle. On the downside, Trendsi has some issues like inventory selling out quickly, occasional shipping delay for international order, and high pricing compared to sourcing directly. Some sellers also point out that the platform isn't always the best fit for fast scaling business because of its limited control over stock. Overall, if you were looking for a beginner-friendly dropshipping partners for fashion with a strong Shopify support, Trendsi is a good choice, but those aiming for high volume may need a backup supplier. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.